In this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube audio not working. First, make sure your computer's volume is turned up and that YouTube isn't muted. Next, right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar and select Open Volume Mixer. Check that your web browser, such as Google Chrome, is not muted and that the volume is turned up. If the issue continues, right-click the speaker icon again and select Sound Settings. Make sure the correct output device is selected. Next, scroll down and click Volume Mixer. Verify that your browser's volume is not muted. Finally, restart your computer and try playing a YouTube video again. That's it. This is how you can fix YouTube audio not working. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.